all my YouTube family as well as my pre-healthcare professionals alike. I hope that y'all are having a wonderful day. Today we're going to be discussing something that's really important to all of us, and that is the reproductive system. If you haven't done so already, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below, and better yet, hit that bell notification. It lets you know when I post new content here on YouTube. And give this video a big thumbs up, that way other people that are looking for the ATI TEAS review videos know that this is a good video to help you pass it like a boss. Let's get started. The reproductive system is regulated by hormones that influence the male and female reproductive organs and their interactions. Starting off with our females, the female gonads are the ovaries, a pair of small glands in the pelvic region where eggs, or ova, are developed. During ovulation, the process by which mature eggs leave the ovaries, an egg will travel through the fallopian tubes towards the uterus. If the egg is fertilized, it will remain in the uterus or womb for pregnancy. If it is not, the egg will be flushed out of the body along with the endometrium, a mucous membrane that builds up inside the uterine wall. This process is called the menstrual cycle, and it's typically between 28 to 35 days in women. Lastly, we move on to our males. Male gonads, the testes, are small organs that produce the male sex cells called sperm. In the reproductive process, fertilization occurs when a sperm and egg fuse together to create a pregnancy. I hope that this video has helped for you to pass your ATI TEAS like a boss the first time. If you haven't done so already, I want to invite you over to my website at www.nursecheung.com. There's additional resources for you to help you pass this exam. We've got practice questions as well as PDFs of the PowerPoints that I show in these videos. If you haven't done so, make sure that you follow me on my social media. I am on Facebook and Instagram. And until next time, I hope that y'all are having a wonderful day, and I will see you all again soon. Bye!